What's up guys, NTX me here with a brand new vlog again. It's been a while that I picked up the camera, but today guys, I'll read the title. I'm finally getting my job from my Malona cuz I'm doing a baby job at 3.5. You already know cause my dry rate is like steep. So yeah guys, I'm finally getting my job after 3 or 4 months after BS after BS after BS guys. There's a lot of problems going on, you know, with my truck, and then with the guy I was gonna take it, and then there's a lot of stuff. So for all those stock watches that wanna get their baby jobs for their truck, you have a truck like mine, I'm getting some shocks, a flip kit, inside flip kit, and I'm gonna use this to lift it up 1 inch, and then it's a 3-inch control arms in the front. It was like around 600 I think, like around 600, 700 around there. And then I'm gonna tell my dad to do the C-notch for me, because he knows I do all the welding shit. And then yeah guys, should be good to go. I mean, I don't need the C-notch, but my homeboy told me that he's gonna be like hitting the thing every once in a while, so I'm just gonna get it just in case. I'm gonna start looking for some 22s with low pros on them. Yeah, so I'm gonna start looking for 22s low pros. I need to find a coward because some of them don't have those right now. They're out of stock. They've been out of stock for months. But yeah guys, thank you for the support. We're about to hit 1K on YouTube. We have like 40 left I think. But yeah guys, I'm gonna do a big giveaway. I'm gonna give away some money, merch, $100 store credit for my discos. They're gonna wanna be a part of it. Probably Genesis Diesel wanna be part of it. I'm getting my job with my sponsor, Genesis Diesel guys. Y'all make sure to hit them up if you need any swap engines, any diesel work. Whenever I get over there, they will explain what the type of work they do. So if y'all interesting, make sure to hit them up. I will continue the vlog once I get over there.
Este corrido que hoy he escrito no es para nadie, pero es para mi ciudad de favoritos.
Esa ciudad que me vio crecer y que le dio refugio a mis padres de mojados.
Ahora la quieren comparar.
Alright guys, so I just dropped off my truck right here with Genesis Diesel. Hey, what other type of work do you do, bro?
We mainly do diesel work. We specialize in diesel, but we know anything from gas to diesel, engine repairs, swaps and stuff like that, turbo swaps and bigger injectors upgrades and stuff like that, performance upgrades for basically any truck.
Yeah, guys, like I was telling you back over there, yeah, if all your like watches, y'all wanna be fast and it's swap engine, yeah, make sure to hit them up. I'm gonna put their Instagram on screen right now. So yeah guys, I just dropped on my truck. I'm about to show you around, and I'm gonna be showing you the address and everything. And y'all can see they have a lot of trucks right here, so I'm pretty sure they have like good work, you know.
Yeah, we do good work. That's the one thing that we always try to accomplish is the work on the trucks. They have to be A1.
You swap an engine, right? Yeah, the truck? Yeah, let's go see it real quick. Yeah, he swapped an engine. He was telling me about it. Damn it, boy. Mira. Damn shit, this hole's nice. I ain't even seen it. I'm looking at my Malona over there.
So we did a 4.8 swap on this one. I had a 350.
A 350?
Yeah, I had a 350 TBI. So we did a 4.8 with a 4060 transmission. Basically everything is just stock. About to do some upgrades on it and make it go fast.
There you go guys, look. All the work that they do. All diesel, gas, and everything guys. But yeah guys, he's about to take me back home because my ride, he didn't wake up. My editor, Saul, he was supposed to pick me up and take me back home, but he didn't wake up, so he's gonna take me back with my truck and he's gonna come back and start working on the truck. So we'll pick up the vlog whenever the truck is ready. I'm gonna come pick it up.
Few inches later.
Alright guys, so I just came to pick up my truck. This is the final result. This is how it looks. This looks nice. Well, there's a small problem. So those 1-inch block that I had, it didn't fit on the flip kit. So that's just like scraping it or like rubbing the fucking tire. So I'm gonna have to get that shit fixed right away. But other than that, shit looks clean. Holy shit. When I get to my house, I will show you a better view on my truck. I really like how it came out. But yeah, guys, I want to thank Genesis Diesel. They're being supportive. Thank you for sponsoring me and everything. Yeah, make sure to hit them up again. I know I said that like 20 times in this video already, but they're really being supportive. But yeah, guys, hopefully tomorrow I'm gonna go get my exhaust already. Now that it's dropped, I'm gonna go get my exhaust. I'm gonna get a Magna Flow and then probably 2 tips in the back. I don't know, I'm gonna see you tomorrow. But yeah, guys. Alright, guys, so I just got home. This bitch looks nice like this. I think I'm gonna keep it like this for a little bit, not gonna lie. I'm gonna get smaller tires, like I said, those are 275s, 55s I think. Yeah, 55s. I'm gonna get 45s, all four. So y'all watch this vlog and got interested in buying my tires. They're brand new. They're like, I got them on October for LTM. So they're brand new. I bought them brand new, guys. So if you're interested, let me know for the tires. I'm gonna get the fog lights installed. Hopefully everything tomorrow. I'm gonna fix that shit in the back. So just lift it 1 more inch in the back. I'm gonna get my exhaust and I'm gonna get my fog lights installed tomorrow. Everything. Oh yeah, I also didn't get the alignment too, cause it felt kind of weird. But yeah, now it's dropped already. Let's see what's next. Hopefully the cow hood, whenever, if I can find one. I'm gonna pick up the vlog tomorrow whenever I will get it fixed and my exhaust and everything done, guys.
Day 2.
Alright, what's up, guys? So I'm right here getting my tires. So I got some tires, 275 45 20s. It has like a 1 inch gap, so I'm gonna leave it like that I'm gonna leave it at 3.6. Fucking Ruben. Y'all ever need tires and y'all here in North Atacuaches? Y'all make sure to go to this one. He gave me a good ass price for some good ass tires. Look, they're not the best, but they're fucking good. I think those were, he left them for $35 or $30. I forgot, one of those for $30. And then the ones that he put in the front there, he said it was like 90% life or 85 around there. And then he's doing them for like $40. He gave me a good price for them. Yeah, make sure to pull up and buy some tires. Make sure that I sent y'all. Just tell him, he forgets my name, but just send la troca roja. La rojita, la troca rojita. What's up, guys? So I just got here from my muffler. So yeah, guys, make sure to join your muffler center on Haltom City by A&D's.
Y pronto allá andaremos. Pronto Fútbol estará en el mapa. Y como dijo mi madre, es mejor tener paciencia.
What's up, guys? So I'm back at the spot. They're finishing my exhaust already. So this is the final look. I like it. I was gonna put it right here. I don't want like fucking hair right here, you know, blah, 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 blah. So I put it in the back. And I was gonna put it like straight to the back. But then whenever I'm gonna go lower, it's gonna start scraping and it's gonna be more expensive. So I'll just left it right here. So whenever I go more lower on the back, I'm just gonna tell them to cut like, just to make them more inside. No, I don't know if that makes sense, but just to make them more inside. I'll put my camera down, I'm gonna rev it, and then let's see if y'all like it. I like it. Let's see if y'all like it. Like that. I'll be back. But yeah, guys, once again, I don't want my track to be loud because, like, no offense to all the tacuaches with open headers or like straight pipe, that's annoying for me. It's just like too loud for me. So that's why I went for like a quiet muffler, like you can barely hear right here. Like you have to get like close to it so you can hear it. Y'all be ready for the next vlog too, so because I'm going to LST at Lone Star Throwdown. It'll be next weekend. Well, this weekend coming up. So hopefully I'm gonna have the vlog ready by next week too. I'm gonna try to get this vlog ready by Thursday or Friday. But yeah, guys, thank you for all the support. We're almost at 1K subscribers, guys. We just need like 50 more, I think, or 40 more. I'm not sure, but thank you for joining the muffin shop. And thank you to Aideen and El Primo Joel. They gave me like a little discount. So I finally put my fog lights. Look sexy. Ay, papa. I need to get that shit, the little chrome part deleted or taken off or whatever it is. Okay, yeah, that's the end for the vlog now. Later, guys.